One of the most challenging parts of working through a contract can be the home inspection. If you're a seller, you can feel kind of vulnerable. Well, here's how to minimize, if not eliminate, the repair hassle. Once under contract, the buyer's going to have the home inspected. Make sure he's getting a solid place. The inspection report's going to give you a list of items that may be defective. In Tennessee, the buyer and seller have to agree on the list of items to be addressed. If the seller agrees to do the repairs, he's on the hook for the opinion of the buyer. Any item not done to the buyer's satisfaction can delay closing. To minimize that and just to make life a little easier, you can offer the buyer some closing costs if they'll remove that contingency. Let them deal with it. Be aware there can still be repairs required from the appraiser, not the buyer. That's why I use the word minimize, not eliminate. Talk to you soon.